Okay, guys. On days like this, it's going to be a bit of a shaky cam, and I'm sorry to say that, but we're moving and grooving from one to the next pretty quickly. So an exit camera setting up is just pretty much impossible, so just have to catch it when we can. Okay, so this one, it goes down here, and there should be a culvert or something that leads over to that. Why don't you go across the road and see if that's blocked up or if it's just taking on too much water.
Wow.
Doesn't look blocked up, does it?
I don't even know where this goes.
It goes, Mom,
Oh, hold on.
see that big thing in the middle right there?
Oh, yeah.
It goes to there. You keep moving.
And there's debris down there, but...
Okay. Well, let's try the... It might be too full, or...
Oh, look at that bowling out.
Yeah.
Because now it's coming from there, coming out the top. I wish I could clean this, but I seriously don't know how. I don't even know what it looks like down inside one of these. Oh, what is that? Well, I feel like it's, at least it's running out now. Look at that coming out of there. Wow.
That all goes out there to that
Okay, let's go.
concrete thing in the middle there. Okay, let's see what's going on with this side.
I don't know what this looks like over. Whoa, it's pretty deep though.
Yeah, it's deep. Mom, the crack is right here. So you might try...
Is it going in here?
Oh, yeah, it does look like it is, doesn't it? There it is. Doesn't really sound blocked up, does it?
Woohoo! Yow!
You know the belt's not done on your waders.
Oh no.
Just, we'll do it later.
Did I lose it?
No, it's a hanging on.
Oh, okay.
No, you were right here. Yeah, right there.
I don't know if it's like a...
You had it. Yeah. I guess that looks a little bit faster, maybe.
Is it running faster?
I don't, maybe. Oh. Well, I wonder why. I mean, I know we got a lot of rain at once, but I wonder why it's not
I don't know if that
going there.
I mean, it's this
Maybe
deep
it's clogged
up
up in the middle over there. Huh?
here. It is deep right here.
Yeah, it is. And we're about to add to it because that one up there is clogged. All right, well, if it's not clogged, there's no other culvert here for it, so.
Okay, this is dirt. Dirt on this side. Maybe that's, I think that's it right there. Yeah, it feels like an opening, and it's clear.
Yeah. So either the big road opening right there, either it's got to clog further up.
It's flowing good though.
I mean, it is, but it didn't really fall any. So.
think I can feel the opening to that over here.
Oh, okay.
And when I go down in there, I'm able to get stuff out. Yeah, I think it's... I say that now, I can't feel it for sure.
Fun
Okay.
fact, you guys. I used to live in that apartment right there. Right there, the middle one. I used to live there for
I forgot you lived over here
a
for
year
a
or
while.
so. I don't know, something like that. Maybe not that long.
It's
Before I
coming out
moved to a
good.
different one.
I'd like to check this before we go home.
Okay.
See how much
We'll
it's
come
dropped.
back through and look at it and see if it's fallen any. So let's add to it with this. This culvert's messed up too. It's blocked up. It's kind of calmed down, raining a little bit. It's not raining as hard as it was anyway.
Let me do the exit.
Yeah. Oh, and it picks back up again.
Said that too soon, didn't you?
I don't want you to... You need to lunge into it, Mom. Lunge. No, not squat. Lunge.
Never mind. I'm fine.
Bending over like that's going to make your back pop again. I'm just telling you.
Okay, let's go look at the
You got to
entrance.
lunge into it.
It's still open. Everything is blocking it is just right here.
Yeah. Well, that's good. Yeah, y'all took that concrete piece out. Oh, no, there it is. Or is that... Well, I don't know. I can't tell now.
No, last time we were here, Dad got it out. Oh, good grief. I'm gonna see if it'll go through. I mean, I think it will. See if it's coming out, Jen.
Oh, yeah. She's coming out. She's getting stuck at the exit, but she's coming out.
I figured it would, but
Hold on, guys.
okay.
Now the
Yeah, I
wind
say
is-
let's come back later and check on that one.
Okay.
Maybe we can kind of see what's going on.
Okay. Alrighty. We're hopping back in. Okay. We got all this water backed up here. And then this right here is blocked up here.
Let me get on the other side of you, Jen, so I can see the exit too.
Okay.
Yep, it's coming out.
I think there's another one up there, but the water's not that high.
Oh, yeah.
So... Oh, trash. 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 Oh! Okay. I think we're good.
Okay.
What's wrong?
Let's walk across the road and look at it coming out this side.
Yeah, it's coming out.
Jen, let me see the rake.
Huh?
Let me see the rake over here. Clean that out just a little bit.
Wet noises. My boots, I mean.
Sorry, I just
Sure.
saw this.
Oh. Yeah, that's a big pile. Good on you for checking it, Mama.
so get out of there.
Okay. Cool beans. All right, ready to move on?
You done over here too? It's
Huh?
barely flowing anymore.
Yeah. Okay.
There you go. Good job. All right, we're gonna move on. It's kind of quit raining now, which is nice. All right, that's gonna help. There's a big pool of water here. So now it can drain down to that culvert. All right, we're driving around our town, cleaning out the ditches because it's been raining good enough to fill them up. And look at this one. This is a mess. Got a shopping cart, you got a kid's toy, some kind of tarp, and all that debris. So we're gonna get down here and we're gonna put the exit camera up on this one. Do you want your gloves? Wow.
All right. Yeah, let me have a glove, at least one. Here, I'll drag that out and you just do the culvert.
Oh, I fell in the ditch.
Huh?
It might be pretty stuck. I'm grabbing stuff that's not moving. Oh.
Okay, I got this.
Got it? It's kind of heavy, Jen.
It is kind of heavy.
Think that's far enough? Probably not.
There, that's good. If it wasn't heavy, I'd put it by the road.
That's what I was thinking. If we put it by the road, the city might pick it up.
They might. Well, maybe I can.
Whoa. You ready?
Yeah, just roll it. I'm sitting here thinking we got to use the tires.
Ow. One more time.
Oh God, I'm sorry.
Come on, get up there and stay. Don't roll back down in here now. Okay, maybe that'll stay.
Rollovers. Oh,
Nope.
no.
Why are you being so difficult?
There we go. I did it.
Okay.
Okay.
Whoa.
Now for the big
Shopping
corporation
cart.
that's all around the world cart.
Oh.
Oh, wait, it's gonna. The wheels are stuck in it that way. Why don't you try to get some stuff out of there
Yeah,
first?
I was thinking.
Because I think it's stuck.
It is deep back here.
This is a big tree. Ooh,
Yeah,
buddy.
there's trees blocking it.
Yeah.
Potato right here. There's a tree going this way.
It's the same tree.
Is it?
Yeah.
Great.
We'll have to drag it out of there. You want to drag it out of there first, or
Wow.
we can get it on top of the culvert or something?
Maybe.
Yeah, it's stuck right there. I can't move it.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get it.
Buried underneath. Crap.
This is so rotten it might just fall in. Oh, Jen, I don't want you to do it by yourself.
Okay, come help me. You push and I'll pull.
Let me get on this side. Whew.
Ready, set, go. Oh, no.
Yeah, the
Hold on,
wheels.
I gotta grab this in. All right, ready, set, go. What are you buried on?
It's the wheels under the... Told you it's deep over here. Okay.
Okay.
Let's get all this dirt off. Maybe it won't be so heavy.
Whew, okay. We can get it on its wheels, I can pull it. Okay.
You still need help? Leave
No.
it there and I'll come do it and help you in a minute.
Yeah. Oh, got it. Whew. Mercy.
Try to pull that.
Nope.
It's stuck.
You sure that camera can see everything you're doing?
I was hoping this would break.
There we go. Ooh, don't fall.
You know, we could cut that one. Okay, that one broke.
Oh, sorry, truck. Oh. Ew, worm.
Yeah. At least it's not a snake, Jen. I don't know if there's any way we can pull this big tree out of the way.
The best we could do is maybe shift it that way, and it might come out of this one, and maybe.
It's been here a while because it is rocky.
Yeah, it's been here a while. Oh,
Yeah, I mean,
oh no, there's no way.
no, that's what I'm
There's
saying.
no way. That thing is so heavy.
Let me kind of get everything coming this direction. Because I've got this one open mostly, except for all this big tree. but-
Here, let me try to. If we could shift this back, I could get this stuff out of here.
Hold on. Tell me when.
Go.
I can't get a grip on it, it's so slimy.
All right.
Lord have you go. Here's the other part of that one. No, it's not.
Oh, crud.
Let go. Sorry, Jen, I splashed you. That had a... There's kind of like a waterfall back that way. I see now.
Huh?
There's like a waterfall back that other direction. Water's coming over so fast.
Come on. Got it.
I'm not going to worry about that. Well, I say that. Then I'll come back here and do it anyway.
I'm sweating buckets. Whew. Oh man, that thing's crooked. Oh, a spider. Do we want to try this again? See if we can get to move anywhere?
Sure, hold on.
Look at that board right there.
I know, it's up though.
I know.
I was just trying to get that stuff behind it to come.
Yeah.
Whew. That was a mistake. I'll pick it up in a minute. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
It'll get caught up in
7,
this here.
8, 9, 10. Good grief, people are trashy.
Tobacco. Tobacco.
Okay.
Yeah. Whew.
No. Okay, what are we going to do with this?
Try to move it one more time, see what happens.
This
See if we
way?
can at least get it moved that way. We can get that crap underneath there.
Well, there's not as much water pressure behind it anymore.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to try to rotate it, I guess.
Hold on, this is really gross looking over here.
That's what I'm talking about, trying to get rid of. No, it's not going to do that.
What do you
I'm
want
at this end if we can move it that way.
Okay, so
Let's try to just, yeah,
really,
go.
I can't even.
Yeah.
No, let's just count this way.
Here, get the stuff underneath here with the potato rake. Please. That way it can run underneath. Oh,
Can you
good,
reach
thank
it?
you. Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, there's no blockage in here, so
We did the best we could under the circumstances. Ah! Whoa.
oh, was that your potato rake I grabbed?
Okay.
Come out from under there.
Okay.
Okay, let me see the potato rake again. Come on. Watch out. Ow. I got a sticker that time. What is that right there?
My foot was in it, sorry.
Piece of bamboo is what
Yeah.
it was.
Okay, there it is.
Okay, we got flow underneath this whole thing now.
Yeah.
I think you get it all, and there's always one more. Whew. All right. This is not pretty, but it's better than it was.
Got it.
So now water can flow underneath this log. Both culverts are getting drainage. So we're going to push this trash in this shopping cart so the city can pick it up. Here, take this.
Hold on.
I'm just dumping all that out. Trying to anyway. All right, so hold my hand. Oh, goodness.
I got you.
Got me.
I got you.
Okay.
Come on. Good job, Mama.
Okay. I'm gonna be mad if some kid comes and pushes this back down in that ditch.
I'm gonna go get the exit camera.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's a mess, I know. Got this pushed up here. All right, we're gonna move on.